Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a review on an under eye concealer. I love it because it is extremely lightweight, but it covers very well. So I live in Florida and it's very hot and humid, and after a day of teaching, usually I will come home and my mascara and my eyeliner will run down onto my concealer, and sometimes it'll make it look like I have raccoon eyes, which is not attractive. Whereas this concealer, when I tried it, does not do that, and I absolutely love that. So it is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer. I have a trial size that I got for free from Sephora from an order that I did, and I love it. It's in the shade Very Fair 04. So I want to go ahead and show you the consistency of it compared to some of the other ones I own. So right here, it is very lightweight, as you can see. It's very brightening too, especially the color that they sent me, but I love that about this one. The other concealer that I've used before is the Double Wear. This one's in the shade 1N Extra Light. This one is a thicker, it's creamy, but it's a thicker consistency. And then probably the thickest one that I own is the Lancome waterproof one. The color has rubbed off, but I know it's the porcelain, I just don't know the exact number. This one, the only downside to it is it does a really great job of covering, but if you don't go really light-handed with it, it can look extremely cakey. This one matches my skin tone the best, so it's not as brightening, it's better at concealing if you have acne or anything like that. And then the last one I can't find my NARS Creamy Concealer, but I did find my Urban Decay Naked Skin. This one is actually pretty dried up, so you're probably not going to see it too well, but I feel like the NARS Creamy Concealer and the Urban Decay are the closest to the Clinique one that I'm reviewing. So that one's down here. This one's also very close to my skin tone. This is in the shade Fair Neutral. The only thing I noticed about the NARS and the Urban Decay is that they're very lightweight, but they don't cover as well as the Clinique one does. So that's why I like the Clinique one better. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the Clinique one under one eye just so you can see how much it brightens and how well it covers. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger and then dab it underneath my eye. Then I've already gone ahead and I've already dampened my Beauty Blender. If you've never used one before, all you do is you run it underneath the water and then you squeeze out any excess, and then I will wrap it in a towel and squeeze out even more that might just still be in there before using it. So I'm going to go ahead and just dab it underneath my eye. I personally think that a Beauty Blender does a really good job at doing under eye concealer makeup better than brushes do, because it thins it out and makes it look like it goes into your skin a lot better. So if you look, I don't know if you can tell a difference, but this eye to me looks more awake and very bright compared to this one. It does a great job of covering, and I just love the way that it looks. So if you have not tried the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer, I highly recommend you get a trial size of it or go and buy a full size, because I really think you'll like it. So I thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel before leaving. Thanks. Have a great day.